In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add a different ringtone to specific contacts on your iPhone. You can change ringtone on selected phone numbers in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your contacts list. Select any phone number of your own choice. On this page, tap on the edit button on your upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on ringtone right here. You will have to choose amongst your ringtones. If this selected phone number calls you, the phone ringtone will be different from the default ringtone when other people call you. That's how easy it is to add a different ringtone to selected phone numbers in your contact list on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.